Want to earn free credits, coupons, and even gifts just by inviting friends to Temo? It's super easy, no complicated steps, you don't need a huge following, just a good strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So, let's get started. Open your Temo app and tap the U icon at the bottom menu. Scroll down and tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You'll now see games or promos that reward you for inviting new users. Pick one that offers the best freebie or payout. Then tap Invite Friends to generate your referral link. Copy that link and start posting it on your social media accounts. Use Facebook, TikTok, Instagram stories, or even messaging apps. Make sure to add a short, catchy explanation like get free stuff on Temo, no purchase needed. Just sign up with this link. That's it. With the right post and timing, you can easily earn points and free rewards by just getting people to sign up. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.